welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I talk a lot about Salesforce. Today I'm going to be showing you how to embed a video within your knowledge article. So I'm currently on the homepage of Salesforce. I am going to go into knowledge. So over here in 3x3 I'm going to search for knowledge. And then I'm going to click new article since I don't currently have any new articles. So I'm just going to say, so I currently have a video lined up for this. So it's going to be the out of office, how to set your out of office. And then it should automatically create the URL name. And then I'm going to go over here to the question and have this be how to set an out of office. So on the answer over here, I'm going to embed this video. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go over here. You can see that we've got like a little picture frame, and then next to it, you've got the little film button with a play button over it. Let's go ahead. What we can do is you can see here that we have the example. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to copy this over and then replace the YouTube video with the YouTube video that I have lined up. So I'm going to replace the link here. Let's go ahead and take that out. All right, and I do need to put a quotation mark at the end just so that it works. Quotation and space. Now I'm just going to double check that I got that at the very end done correctly with the example that they gave me. And I'm going to embed the video. Oh, I do need to add the iframe. So let's go ahead and do that there. So now it looks like it is embedded. I'm going to save. And it looks like YouTube is not connecting right now, but I know that is how you embed a video. I've done it before. And so it should just take a little time for it to respond back to YouTube to be able to work. I'm going to publish this. And I'm going to publish now. And there we go. We just have to wait for YouTube to go ahead and respond to this out of office video being embedded. And then it should be ready to go for our users. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter at EmilyCallMBA. Check out the courses down below or on Salesforce Upskill, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.